this is Vonda. I'm with KVP International.
And my name's Tess.
And we're here to show you the Balto Soft, both the double and the single presentations on our elbow support. The Balto Soft is a really unique compression brace that we use primarily for patients who have elbow dysplasia or hygromas. So when we think about hygromas or even the pressure sores that some of these patients get on their elbows, think about your larger dogs that we would love to have them walk around with a fluffy bed, but they can't carry their bed all day. So with the Balto Soft, one of the things that we do is we have 2 sets of pads that go inside the elbow portion of this brace so that you can have a clean set and a set being washed every day. So the Balto Soft is going to, on this presentation, this is the double elbow. So you're gonna have support for those hygromas or those pressure sores on both sides, and you're just gonna measure from elbow to elbow up over the back, and you should be able to read the Balto wording on this one to make sure you have the correct size. This is one of our braces that does not have a aluminum support in it. It is strictly compression on those elbows. So if you need more support on one elbow versus the other, maybe we have an injury, a fracture, a hygroma that is unilateral as opposed to bilateral, you'll order the single-sided elbow. So you can see we're gonna have our anchor support on the other elbow, but the elbow that needs more help, so in this case, the right side of this patient, is going to have more straps to give support a little bit further down the leg.
So how do I know what size is best to order for my dog?
So when we're looking at the elbow support, the Balto Soft, you actually want to take a measuring tape and measure from the point of the elbow to the other elbow up over the back of your dog.
Okay, and what if I'm kind of in between sizes?
So if the measurements are giving you 2 different sizes, always go a step down. That way you're more likely to have a better fit.
So what age is this brace recommended for use?
So this particular brace you're going to use anytime you've got a hygroma, an elbow fracture, maybe elbow dysplasia. Work with your veterinarian on how soon to use it if you have a growing patient that needs that kind of support.
So how long should I leave my dog in this brace?
So with this brace and a lot of our other Balto braces, you want to start with about 30 minutes the first day, work up to an hour, 2 hours, and eventually you're going to work to 12 hours on and 12 hours off, giving the skin and coat time to breathe.
Okay, and are these braces also waterproof?
Not waterproof, but you can get them wet and they can hang to dry. If you need to wash them, this one you can hand wash cold and then hang it up to dry as well.
So how long does it typically take for a dog to adjust to this kind of brace?
So typically it takes them between 1 to 2 weeks to fully adapt to the Balto Soft. When you're using this one, start with a 30-minute time frame, then an hour, again working up to 12 hours on, 12 hours off, and that takes anywhere from 7 to 14 days. This one in particular, you may go a little bit longer the first couple of days, depending on the injury that we're working with. So one quick bonus tip for my veterinary friends in clinic, if you need extra support holding bandages on an elbow injury, the Balto Soft is another great option for holding the bandage material in that very tough and mobile space.